In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot CRM for email marketing. We'll walk through setting up the tool, building audiences, designing messages, automating follow-ups, and measuring results so you can send polished, targeted emails with confidence. Start by heading into your Hubspot account. From the main navigation, open Marketing, then Email, and click Create Email. You'll see two options: regular for one-off broadcasts like newsletters or announcements, and automated for messages that are sent by a workflow based on triggers. This email tool is where your campaigns live. Before sending, connect your email sending domain. Go to Settings, then Domains and URLs, and follow the prompts to connect your domain, such as yourbusiness.com. This authenticates your mail, strengthens your brand, and greatly improves deliverability. If HubSpot asks you to add DNS records, complete those steps with your domain provider. Next, build your audience. Navigate to Contacts, then List, and create segmented lists such as new leads, clients, or subscribers, so each group receives content that matches their stage and interests. Segmentation consistently leads to higher opens and conversions, and it keeps your messaging relevant. Now create the actual campaign. Click Create Email again, choose a template or start from scratch, then craft a clear subject line, helpful body copy, and a single primary call to action button that stands out. Keep your design clean, add images only when they add value, and write like a human. Short paragraphs and scannable sections help. Personalize your message with tokens like first name, company, or other custom fields. Use a friendly tone, something like, "Hi there, here's something useful for you," and set fallback values so the email still reads naturally if a field is missing. Choose your recipients by selecting the right list or individual contacts, and double check that you're excluding unqualified or cold leads. Quality beats quantity here. Before you send, preview the email and send yourself a test. Check how it looks on mobile and desktop, click every link, and confirm formatting, images, and tracking. Verify the from name and reply to address as well. When everything looks great, either send immediately or schedule delivery. Mornings or early afternoons often perform well. Consider your audience's time zones. To scale your efforts, open automation, then workflows, and build sequences, like a welcome series after sign-up or a timed follow-up. For example, a new lead signs up, gets email 1, then email 2, and finally an offer. After sending, monitor performance. Review open rate, click rate, and replies, and watch for bounces and unsubscribes. Use what you learned to refine your subject lines, content, and segments for the next campaign. That's it. You've set up, sent, automated, and analyzed an email program in HubSpot.